Yo, welcome back. Today's question is, have Nike improved this kick? Because if they haven't, are they just wasting everyone's time? Let's find out. Okay people, so today we're going to be doing a little comparison video. It's not two different kicks or whatever, it's the same silhouette but version 1 against version 2. We're talking about the Nike Air SuperRep 1 versus version 2. Okay, so for everyone who's watched these videos before, thank you, welcome back to the channel. I hope you've enjoyed the videos. I hope you've liked, subscribed. If you haven't, please hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification button because that tells you when I've done more videos. Subscribe lets me know that you like and you want to see some more. And like just tells me you like this video. But you know what I like as well? I like comments. I like talking to you. So talk to me. Tell me what you think of this. Tell me what... Don't tell me if you hate it. You know what I mean? You're just talking it. We'll have a conversation. Let's go. So... Right, if you haven't seen my original video on the SuperRep version 1, that's up there, or it's up there, but I've put a link up there. You can go and watch that video if you need to watch that first. I'm not really going to concentrate on the SuperRep 1s. I'm more concentrating on the version 2 compared to the ones. So first things first is, Nike gave me some massive box of mine. I've got man-sized feet. I'm not telling you what size they are, but they're man size. Not kids, not women's size, they're man size. Yeah, I'm a 6'2" guy, or maybe a bit bigger, I can't remember. But my feet correspond with my body. Okay? But Nike taking a mick. Look how big this box is. It's massive. Yeah? Then they do the version 2. And look how normal size box. What's wrong with this? Anyway. Sorry, let me just show you. Version 1 was that. If you can't remember it, like I said, go and see the video, you'll see it. All in one upper with a bit of laces to tighten it up and the Air Zoom pockets underneath, etc. That was number 1, all in black. So version 2, I'm just gonna go through what I see the differences are. Let me leave this one out so I can pick this up just in case we need to compare. I think I've looked at this enough now, but you never know. Version 2, let's just start with the box. Ordering Nike box, tick on the top, tick at the side on the top there, tick at the side on the top there. It's just a Nike orange box. White paper inside, no thing. And then we've got version 2. This colour is the... Well, I'll tell you what colour. There's no real point in me reading it to you. I might just let you know. So I got the blue, yellow, and pink silhouettes of these. Okay, because I liked it basically. So let's start with the bottom. Let's put them side by side. They are exactly the same, apart from you will see that version 1 is just a solid black bottom, you know, design wise it's just black, there's nothing to it really, got the grips, whatever. Version 2, you can see they've emphasized the air pockets underneath. You've got 2, you can see where they are. They've colored that stripping on the side here, as you can see, and the top of the shoe is all yellow there. The bottom of the shoe is still all black, just like in there, but designer shoe is exactly the same as it was underneath. Going to the top of the shoe, the webbing, which you see on one, which was sealed on, and it basically covered the whole of the shoe, went up to the side, all the way up to the heel, and stopped at the back here. It's almost the same, but just redesigned a bit. So if we start from the inside of the shoe, you can see the webbing starts here, but it goes up to the top of the heel, carries around. It's now part of the shoe. It's not separate, okay? And it carries on around till it gets here, to the top of the shoe right here. And you see it's stitched on there, so it's not something you can put your hands under like you did in the original ones. So the biggest difference, the main thing, what the main redesign of this shoe is that Nike have added a tongue. Because let's be honest, version 1, the nightmare of trying to put in that shoe, it was so tight. I know they said go up a size or half a size, but it was still tight. It was hard. And when you put it on, all right, your foot was secure in the shoe, but God, man, it was too much. You at the gym, you're trying to put it on and too much. So adding this tongue has made it so much simpler. You can open up the shoe, you can lift up the tongue, you can get your foot in without breaking down the heel of the shoe like you had to do with that one to an extent. You don't need the pulley on the back anymore like you had with this one here. You know, your foot can just get into the shoe. On the Nike website, on version 1, they said to you, it's a tight fit, go up a size. On this one, they don't say that, but I'm going to say to you, it's still a tight fit, and I would go up at least half a size. If you like the tightness, then you're cool. If you don't like the tightness, and I found it a bit, when I was working out, I found it a bit too tight for me. But I went up a size and this was much better. It just didn't lock my feet in. My feet could really breathe in it. The material on top is almost exactly the same as the material was on one before, like that Nike Tech kind of fleece type material. And it's again on the side, you've got the Nike Tick and Air on the inside here, just above the pocket, air pocket. You carry on around the design here. Now you can see a white lining, white painted on lines, emphasizing the arc in that. The tick itself, again, it is visible at night. It's a glowing tick, and underneath that there's some writing. It says rep, sweat, repeat, rep, sweat, repeat, and that is exactly, I believe, what was said on, is it this one? I'm sure I saw it on the other, well, maybe I've got that wrong, but on here it says rep, sweat, repeat. Going round the heel, like I said to you, the webbing's there, it's part of the shoe now, and it's signed off with a nice large pink Nike tick or swoosh, whatever you want to call it. On the inside, you've got the SuperRep wording there in a, this is an orange colour. Can I take it out? Let me see if I can take it out. It feels like I can take it out, but I can't take it out. But yeah, it's an orange colour. It says SuperRep. Oh, hold on. Yeah, I can. Hold on. There you go. Again, massive cushioning on the insole. Massive cushioning. I don't know if you can see how thick that is, but it's massive. Again, you just got a SuperRep with Nike tick there. This is in a bright pinky orange. I don't know what colour you'd call it. On the inside is some red stitching to keep the shoe with the sole, but you can't really see that. It makes no difference to you. Again, you've got the, I think they call it the fly plate, is present on the bottom of the sole again, going through, running right down to the heel here, and then stopping right in the mid step of the shoe, and that makes you flex. Again, you land so well in these shoes. It just puts you in the right position to, you know, do your workout, skipping, jumping, lunges, whatever it is. It keeps you there. If you need to go on your heel, the heel support is there. But when you're pushing off, it just sets you right. You land right, the cushioning takes it. It's superb. Design-wise, they've kept it to the original one because there was nothing wrong with the original design. It was just the tightness of the shoe. And I think they've answered that question by allowing the tongue and allowing you space to get your foot in the shoe to enjoy the shoe. The heel has much more cushioning at the back, which is great because again it locks you into the shoe. There's no slippage in there, and it's just a really nice compliment. It's a really nice compliment to the original. And what they've done, they haven't just gone off and thought, actually, let's just redesign this, and you know what I mean, you know, we've done well. They've stuck with what was good and they've improved what needed to be improved. Like I said to you, so the main difference here is, one, they've made it translucent. You can see the actual air, the Zoom Air, what do you call them, cushions in the sole of the shoes, which is great. It's just a nice design for the shoe. Two, they've added a tongue, which is game changer. Game changer. Three, the webbing is still there, but it's now a part of the shoe rather than being loose, like on top of the shoe, and you can move it around. And what else is there? Four, they've added some writing called rep, sweat, repeat. So that's it. This is, if you want to upgrade your SuperRep, is it worth upgrading? I would say for the fit, yes. For the activity, no, not really. If you haven't got these, then definitely go for version 2. Definitely go for version 2. You know what I mean? It's a must. I know you can get version 1 quite cheap now. I think it's even dropping probably nearly half or 35% worth the original retail price. But if you're gonna go for them, I would say version 2 is the one to get. They're all different colorways available. This is quite a nice colorway. I think they brought out a black and white one. They didn't have my size, so I couldn't really do much about it, but this was a nice alternative option, which I quite enjoy. I've been using this a bit now, doing my exercises, and yeah, I like it a lot. I haven't gone back to my version 1s, to be honest with you, because it's just a nightmare putting on your, just the usability of it was a nightmare. I don't care. It was I didn't like it. It's just too much. It made me think too much. I just wanted to put on my kicks and go and do what I've got to do. No one likes exercise that much. Well, some people love exercise. I don't like exercise that much, but you've got to do what you've got to do. So being able to just slip these on and go like any other workout trainers, big plus. Big plus. So there you have it. SuperRep version 2. Thumbs up, man. Thumbs up. Got to get this. So anyway, I'm gone. There we go. There's my comparison. Wasn't much differences, but the differences what they have made are impactful and phenomenal. That's all I'm saying. So there we have it. Thank you very much for watching. Wow, very polite, isn't I? Thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you again. Peace out.